Hi, this is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. Today we're going to be making an ice cream stick bomb. Not a real bomb, but a bomb that's fun for the kids or anyone else who wants to make one. You'll need 5 ice cream sticks to do this. Take 3 of the ice cream sticks and make them into a V-shape, making sure that the one on the left is in between these two. Like a sandwich. The one on the left. Start out by weaving an ice cream stick in between, behind the first one, over the second one, and behind the third one. Then take the other ice cream stick, start on top of the first one, under the second one, and on top of the third one. Like so. You've got this that looks like this. Now throw your bomb, not really a bomb, but your ice cream stick bomb, on a hard surface. And watch it explode. This is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. Until next time, bye for now.